I gave 10 questions yesterday homework, which are based on simple identities. I'm sure many of them you can do on your own, but still, anybody, any doubt, I'm ready to discuss. So feel free if you have any doubt.
Sir, 24th question.
Sir, 29.
Okay.
Sir, 24th.
Yeah. Okay, all right. And apart from that, we have this coming Sunday or Monday. When is the advanced exam?
Monday.
The Monday.
So coming Monday exam, again, I think principal sir kept a message that the new students is not compulsory for them.
How many marks is the advance?
Advanced, see, one thing about JEE advanced exam is till now no 2 years they gave same pattern. Okay. How many single answer questions will come? How many more than one will come? How many numerical questions will come? How many matchings and passages? It is not fixed. Year to year it changes. All right. And the number of questions can vary from 18 to 28, anything. And the number of marks also will vary. They can give +3 -1, +4 -1, +4 -2, +5 -2 also.
The total questions are you're telling 18 to 28 or
in each subject.
Okay.
Okay. 28 is a very big number to be given, but 1 year they gave. Okay, but usually they give 18, 20, 22. These are the 3 common numbers that they give. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Coming to this 24th question. A sin square theta plus b cos square theta equal to c, and from that they were asking tan square theta. There are 2 ways to do this. One way is, in the place of c, can I write c into sin square theta plus cos square theta?
Yes, sir, we can write, sir.
Yes, because that is 1. Now bring sin square one side, we will get sin square theta into a minus c. Cos square is sent that side, we will get cos square theta common, c minus c. Divide, we will get sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to c minus b by a minus c. Okay, that is tan square theta. So you will get tan square theta equal to c minus b by a minus. This is one way to do it. Another way to do it is you divide with cos square theta all over, right? Directly in the question. That is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta equal to c. Divide with cos square theta here. Divide with cos square theta here. Sorry. Then this by this will become a tan square theta. This by this will become b. This 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta, which I can write 1 plus tan square theta and split it. C plus c tan square theta. Wherever tan square theta is there, bring one side, these two to the other side. Again, you will get something like a minus c into tan square theta is equal to c minus b. Divide, we'll get tan square. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I converted cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta and I.
Okay, then finally you'll get sin square theta, and from sin square you want to find tan square. That is also good.
Yes.
Yeah, you can even after sin square, you can understand what is this, what is this, and then root of this minus this will give you this. You can do that way also, right?
Sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, no, sir?
Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, correct.
Okay, so we can substitute the value in the equation, sir. So we get cos square theta.
Yeah. Mukul said convert everything into sine. You are saying convert everything into cos. Or
yes,
something
sir.
like that. Right. Yeah. So either will get sin square theta or cos square theta. Construct a right angle triangle. You will know 2 sides. You can find the third side, and then you can find tan square. Is that you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that also. So this is one way to do it. This is another way to do it. Mukund said one way, and Bharat. No, who have said one? Bharat only. Okay, right. Everybody clear about 24?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anybody want to ask any doubt about 25? Okay. So you don't have much doubt. You can try next further questions. You have the PDF, you can open it, or you have the material with you. The next 10 questions will be today's homework. 24 to 33 I gave. 34 to 43 will be today's homework. Okay. Somebody doesn't have doubt, you don't have to keep on waiting till I discuss. Okay. 25 is very simple. Just expand LHS. Sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square. Sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square, cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square. When I expand this, I'll get sin square alpha plus 2 into sin alpha into cosecant alpha plus cosecant alpha square. This one, when I expand, I'll get cos square alpha plus 2 into cos alpha into secant alpha plus secant square alpha. Now, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Coming to this, cosecant alpha is 1 by sin alpha cancel, secant alpha is 1 by cos alpha cancel, you'll get 2 plus 2. Cosecant square alpha, I can write 1 plus cot square
1
alpha.
plus cos square alpha.
Yes, because they wanted that in the answer on the RS. And secant square alpha is
1 plus
1
tan
plus
square
tan
alpha.
Tan square alpha.
So 2 plus 2, you will get total 6 plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha.
7 plus
What happened?
7
7
Seven.
plus
It is 7 plus tan square alpha plus cot square. Yeah. Just based on basic identities. Nothing. Is there nothing that I have to teach about this question? Okay. Anybody want to tell me some easy method for 26?
Sir, we can write 1 as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, sir.
Where?
minus cos square.
In the numerators.
Numerator,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, somebody can write cot as 1 by sin, cot as cos by sin, do something. But out of all that, I think that this way it will come easier.
In place of 1, we can write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta.
Yes. Only in the numerator. Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Only in the place of this one, you can write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, once can you repeat, sir, what did you do?
This is a question. The numerator 1, I wrote cosecant square theta minus cot square theta.
Okay.
Now, this is cot theta plus cosecant theta minus a square minus b square. I can write a plus b into a minus b. That is cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. By denominator is cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Now, this and this are same. I can take common. I can take cot theta plus cosecant theta common. I will be left with 1 here minus cosecant theta minus cot theta will be left. Here I will be left with cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. You can see here 1 is there, here 1 is there, minus cosecant plus cot theta plus cot. So this and this are same. So this whole thing will cancel. We'll be left with this. And now this whatever we got, that is cot theta plus cosecant theta. Cot theta I can write cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta I can write 1 by sin theta. It will, oh, you cannot see that. Okay. Then I can write it as 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. I think that is one of the options. Correct option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it all right? 26?
Yes, sir, already.
Yes.
Okay. If you do any other way also, it will come, but this is a more convenient way. Okay. 27. Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody want to explain to me how to do 27?
Sir, I will explain, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, in in the equation tan A by 1 minus cot A, we can write cot A as 1 minus 1 by tan A, sir. Then we'll be getting tan A by tan A minus 1 by tan A, sir.
Yes, correct.
Then again plus cot A by 1 minus tan A. So this can be written as tan square A by tan A minus 1 minus cot A by tan A minus 1.
Yes, you took minus common in the second denominator. Okay.
Yes, sir. If we take the LCM, we'll be getting tan square A by minus cot A by tan A minus 1.
Okay.
So again, we can say that it can be written as tan cube A minus 1 by tan square A minus tan A. And it can be written as tan A minus 1 into tan square A plus tan A plus 1 by tan A into tan A plus 1, I think so. Minus 1, sorry.
Yeah, used A cube minus A
yes,
cube
sir.
form.
So we'll be getting tan square A plus 1 plus tan A by tan A.
Okay. Finally, what is the answer? Which option is right?
Option D.
Bombay.
The option
Delhi, sir, Delhi.
D.
Option D, sir.
Delhi. Achha, okay.
Sir, or
Anybody
we
want to-
can say that tan A equals to sin A by cos A and cot A equals to cos A by sin A also we can do, no, sir.
Yes. Then you will get cos A minus sin A in the denominator by sin square A cos A and cos square A sin square A. There also cos cube minus sin cube, some kind of formula will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We have to approve.
All right. Anyway, somebody is asking, so I have to discuss. Even though sometimes some questions I may feel simple, I may not discuss, I may not like to discuss, but as a teacher, it's not right. If somebody asks, I have to discuss. All right. So those are completed. When you get any idea how to do a question, you will think it is very easy. When you don't get, it will be a difficult question. It is a relative, right? Okay. So tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A. Okay, even though they are based on the simple three identities, okay, these questions, sometimes they will become, that means there are different ways to do it, depending on which identity you use it. Ultimately, all the methods will give you answer, but which is shorter method, sometimes in the beginning you may not know. You try one thing, it will become lengthy, then you try another thing or something like that, okay. So even though trigonometry, to say it is easy, but sometimes the question solutions are lengthy. Sometimes one way it is easy and one way it is very lengthy like that. Okay, I would like to go for writing sin by cos. Tan A I can write sin A by cos A. Cot A I can write cos A by sin A. This is cos A by sin A by tan A is sin A by cos A. So when I take LCM here, this is sin A by cos A. This is sin A minus cos A by sin A. This one cos A by sin A by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Okay, this is one fraction, this is another fraction, this is another fraction, this. When I take to numerator, I have to take reverse of this and reverse of this. When I take reverse, it will become sin A by, I need enough place to write, it's okay. Sin A by cos A into, this I can write sin A up by cos A minus sin A. Similarly, if I take this up, I will get cos A by sin A. This cos A will go up and this is cos A minus sin A. This is sin A minus cos A. Okay.
Sir, I think we can make that sin A minus cos. We can make cos A minus sin A as same as sin A minus cos A by.
Yeah. I can take minus common and do it.
Minus.
Yeah. So I will write here. Maybe I can write here in the next step we'll see. Not a problem. Okay. So here in the whole denominator, the LCM of these two I can write cos A into sin A into sin A minus cos A. Oh, cannot see that. Cos A into sin A minus cos A. Now, This and this are mostly same except one sin A is not there. So I'll multiply sin A, so it will become sin cube A. Here sin A is there, sin A minus cos A is not there. Negative of that is there, extra cos A. I have to multiply with minus cos A, it will be minus cos cube A. Here I multiply sin A, here multiply with minus cos A, will get like this. Now A cube minus B cube. I can write sin A minus cos A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. That is sin square A.
Sir, why
plus
did you
cos
multiply
square.
with minus cos A?
Because here sin A minus cos A is there and here cos A minus sin A is there. If required, I will take a minus common here and make it sin A minus cos A.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Now multiply cos here, sin here, cos here. You will get sin cube A minus cos cube A. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Plus cos A sin A. By denominator is cos A sin A into sin A minus cos A. These two will cancel. Now take this by this separately, this by this separately, this by this separately. When you take this by this, sin A will cancel.
Right, 1 plus cos A sin A, no, sir.
Yeah. Oh, depending on the answer of it, yeah, it's right. You can write 1 plus sin A cos A by cos A sin A or sin A cos A, doesn't matter. This by this is cosecant A into secant A and this by this is 1 and that is the answer. So finally the answer is secant A into cosecant A plus 1. Okay. It is just, these questions for me, there's not much to teach. You try it. If you don't get idea, I'll just tell how to take LCM or which formula to be used. Yes, any doubt in any part of this solution?
No, sir.
Sir, here 1 plus sin cos A, how to sir?
Oh, sin square A plus cos square A is 1.
Oh, yes, sir. What is?
This one is 1. That's how I got this one.
What is, sir?
Okay. Anybody want to tell me, not Bharat Kumar, you answered already few questions. Other than that, 28th question, anybody how to do?
Sir, first 1 minus sin square y by 1 plus cos square y, we can write as sin square y equals to 1 minus cos square y, no, sir.
Okay, the second fraction, you are asking me to write this sin square y as 1 minus cos square. Okay.
Then we can write 1 minus cos square alpha equals to 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha, no, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Then
Good.
1 plus cos alpha and 1 plus cos alpha cancel, no, sir.
Yes.
When we come to last two terms, when we take LCM, sir, sin y into 1 minus cos, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
Then in numerator, we'll get 1 minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
1 minus of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, sir. We'll get 1 minus 1 is 0, no, sir.
So the two fractions are cancelling out. It is
The two
yes.
fractions are not considered, sir. Then we coming to first two, we got already 1 minus of 1 minus cos alpha, sir.
So it's only cos square. One will
Yes.
cancel. Okay. Good. Anybody doubt about 28? Anybody want me to write on the board?
No, sir.
No. Okay. 29. Anybody want to give me an idea how to do except Sachitka and Bharat Kumar?
Sir,
Yes, Sai Kiran.
sir, we can take sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to x, sir. Then cos theta minus 4 sin theta whole square plus sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square equal to 1 plus x square.
Yes, correct.
By simplifying it, we will get x value, sir.
Yeah, correct. You take the second one equal to x. You are right.
Yes,
Now
sir.
take the equation 1 whole square plus equation 2 whole square. LHS squares you add, RHS squares you add. LHS squares when you add, that minus 2ab term here and plus 2ab term will here will cancel. Minus 8 sin theta cos theta plus 8 sin theta cos will cancel. Cos square plus sin square is 1. 16 sin square plus 16 cos square equal to 16. We will get 1 plus 16 is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay. And then 1 and 1 will cancel. X square equal to 16 means x equal to plus or minus 4.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 28th question somebody explained, no, sir. Means like
Hmm.
you need to do it on the board, sir. Just on board once you can write, sir.
That's what I asked. 28, and you want me to write on the board, I asked.
Sir, I didn't listen properly what you were saying, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Sir, means like I'm telling not on the board, sir. On the screen shade, just you can tell how to do orally, sir. That's all.
Okay. First thing is, these two are there, the last two fractions, na? You just take normal, how you combine fractions. You have to multiply these two, minus you have to multiply these two, right?
Yes, sir. Understood. They'll both cancel, sir.
Yeah, that will become 1 minus cos square y minus sin square y. Numerator will become 0. It will be gone. Coming to this sin square y, you can write 1 minus cos square y. Okay? That 1 minus cos square y, you can write 1 minus cos y into 1 plus cos y. Okay? This 1 plus cos y will get cancelled with the denominator. Will be left with only this, and in the beginning 1 minus. 1 minus 1 minus cos y will be cos y. Option.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. 29. I explained how, that is Saikiran explained how you can take equal to x and you can square and add. Then theta will get eliminated. You will get finally x square equal to 16. Anybody want me to write anything about this on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tatvika, when you later on, when I asked you to submit these 10 questions homework in Class Plus app, you send that PDF in the homework group also. Is it okay?
What, sir?
These questions that you wrote solutions, na?
Sir.
Today, I'll put an assignment in the Class Plus app. You have idea about Class Plus app, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you submit there, you also send your PDF in our homework, math homework group, so that if some children are not able to solve in a particular step, they can take help. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. 29, cos theta minus 4 sin theta equal to 1. And sin theta plus 4 cos theta, I want to take x. Okay. Now, I want to square and add these. That is cos theta minus 4 sin theta whole square plus sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square equal to 1 square plus x square. You square and add these two equations. This expansion is cos square theta minus 2 into cos theta into 4 sin theta plus 16 sin square theta. This expansion is sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta into 4 cos theta plus 16 cos square theta is 1 plus x square. When I add cos square plus sin square is 1. Minus 8 sin theta cos theta plus 8 sin theta cos theta will cancel. 16 sin square plus 16 cos square is 16 equal to 1 plus x square. Cancel 1, you got x square is 16, so x is equal to plus or minus 4. Is it okay, 29?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in 29 we took let sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to x, no sir. Then
Yes,
find the
sir.
value of x. Without
Yes,
assuming that statement can be directly derived from the given.
Yeah, we can do it, but that one was the easier. Hemant, we are getting resound from your device. You have to see why it is. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to tell it, but it's okay since you asked. There is a side, it's not always it will work out, but here it will work out. What is that? You send this one here, one here, or send cos theta this side. Minus 4 sin theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. Minus 4 sin theta into this 1 minus cos theta, I can multiply with 1 plus cos theta and divide with 1 plus cos theta. Send this cos theta that side, after multiply and divide with the same. Minus 4 sin theta into, when you multiply these two, you will get 1 minus cos square theta. That will actually sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now, this sin theta and this square will cancel. Bring this one here. What will come? Minus 4 cos theta equal to sin theta. Send this one that side. Sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to minus 4. Did we get one of the option?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But this is one more option which we did not get here. I'll tell you the reason why we did not get. Another option is, just by looking at this, anybody can tell theta equal to 0 degrees is one solution to this. Why? Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
theta is 0 degrees solution to this, substitute 0 degrees here. What is the answer will come?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. So plus 4 is also correct for theta 0. There is some other theta also satisfying this not 0 degrees. That we may not know at this stage. But for that, the value of sin theta plus 4 cos theta is minus 4. Is it okay, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even after all that, I prefer the method that I told, that squaring and adding is only nice. Okay. Because instead of 1, let's say here they would have given some 3 by 2 here. I don't think I can easily tell what is the theta, like 0 degrees and all. Okay. But still, squaring and adding will give you nicely. Krishna Kaushik, have you tried all these questions?
Yes, sir. Already completed.
Okay. 30th one. Anybody want to give an idea how to
find the value of AK, BK, CK, and VC? We can do.
Sir, simply if we send the sin square theta the other side, it will
Sir,
be sin
actually,
theta
sin
is equals
x
to
by
cos
a
square
is
theta.
equal to a, no, sir.
A that side and K to the denominator, sir.
Okay, let us see one by one. I got so many voices. Indu Hasani, tell me what is it you want to say?
Sir?
What is it you want to say about this question?
Sir, I'm speaking about 31st question.
You are talking about 31st. So I'm talking about 30. Sarath Chandra, what is it you want to say about 30?
Sir, I'm saying that here sin x by A is equals to cos x by B equals tan x by C equals to K, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
So we'll take C as tan x by K and B as cos x by K and A as sin x by K. Then we'll substitute the value in the given equation.
Okay. All right.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, sin x by A is equal to K, no, sir.
Ah.
So sin x is equal to AK.
Yes.
So similarly, cos x is equal to BK. Tan x is equal to CK. So we can substitute the values in given equation and we can find the BC values in terms of K. Then we can record solution.
Okay. So AK is there.
You want also sin K. So BC value is also sin x by K square, sir. BC value.
BC value is, yes, correct. Okay. We'll talk about BC. I think AK, BK, CK are obviously better to write sin x, cos x, and tan x, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So this 1 by CK will become 1 by tan x. This will become sin x by 1 plus cos x. 1 by tan x will become cos by sin. This will become sin x by 1 plus cos. Okay. All right. Anybody doubt about 30?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt.
Nobody has doubt. Okay. Then I
Words.
should explain your sign.
Yes, sir.
So we have R Bharat and G Bharat. We have 2 Bharats in this class. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Is there any other name repeated in this class?
Sir, mine. sir. I just discovered it today.
Sharath? Yeah, we have new Sharath. Pandranki Sharath, 771. Okay, but it's just Sharath. Is your Sharath Chandra? It's okay. Okay, 30th question. Which option is correct for 30th question?
Sir, option B.
Sir, B.
Option B.
Bombay. Okay. So I need to get A by K plus 1 by K. Something like that should be the answer. Okay. I think BC will directly come sin x by K square. That is 1 by AK maybe. Okay. Sin x by A equal to cos x by B is equal to tan x by C. The question is about BC plus 1 by CK plus AK by 1 plus PK. This is K. Okay. Actually, what happens here is somebody can get different answer. It's quite possible. Okay. Why? If we equate these two, I'll get tan x equal to B by A. If I equate these two, I'll get tan x as CK. So same tan x has different ways of expressing. That means between AB, CK itself, there is a relation. In fact, between ABC themselves, there is a relation. So there are different ways you do. You can get a different answer, which is not there in the option. So you should be able to find the interrelation, or directly you should be able to find. Let us say, for example, here I can bring K down if you want. For example, when I equate these two, I can get B is equal to cos x by K, C is equal to tan x by K. When I multiply BC is cos x by K, and this tan x can be written as sin x by cos x by K. Cos x and cos x will cancel. I will get sin K in 1 by K into sin x by K. But if you bring K here, A here, we also know A is equal to sin x by K. So this will become A. So we'll get 1 by K into A, which is A by K. Okay, is it clear that BC alone is A by K?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I don't have to worry about this. This part is equal to this part. Now I have to only see how to prove this as 1 by K. Okay. So BC alone is A by K. Now 1 by CK plus AK by 1 plus BK. AK means sin x. I have to get this as sin x. So 1 by what is CK here? Tan x. What is AK here? Sin x. And what is BK here? Cos x. Okay. I can write sin by cos and simplify it. Yeah, that's better. Okay. This if I write sin by cos, it will become cos x by sin x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. If I take this into this by this into this. This into this is cos x plus cos square x. This into this is sin square x by sin x into 1 plus cos x. But cos square x plus sin square x is 1. You will get cos x plus 1 by sin x into 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x will cancel. 1 by sin x. But what is sin x? Ka. No. So we got this as separately A by K there. This as separately here 1 by Ka. And that is the answer. You add them, that's the answer. Is it okay, 30?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yes, tell me, Hinduhasni, what you want to tell about 31?
So like the given condition is sin theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1 also.
Yes.
So if we send that sin square theta the other side, sin theta will be 1 minus sin square theta. Using that identity, we can say that sin theta is equals to cos square theta. Then
And one,
cos
this
to
one,
the
this
power 4
side.
theta is equals to cos square theta whole.
Yes,
So,
correct. Yes, you are right.
yes, sir. In the place of cos square theta, we'll put sin theta, sir. In the place of cos to the power 4 theta, we'll write it as cos square theta whole to the power 2.
Yes.
Then it will be sin square theta. In the given condition, it will be 1. So answer is option C.
Yeah. You can send the sin square theta to the other side. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So sin theta is same as cos square theta. Square it on both sides. Sin square theta is cos power 4. So I can remove this cos power 4 and write there sin square theta. In the place of this, whether I chose to write sin theta or not doesn't matter. Besides, as it is, cos square plus sin square is 1. If you want to write sin theta, no problem. Sin theta plus sin square theta is already 1 given in the question. Okay, so main point is sending this one here, so that after squaring it, you can write cos power 4 as sin square. Anybody still doubt about 31?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody want to answer for 32? Till now, nobody answered in any class.
So can I?
Yes, Srilata, tell.
So yes, sir. So they give sin alpha plus cosecant alpha equal to 2, sir. So then we'll write sin alpha plus 1 by sin alpha equal to 2.
Just a minute. Rishabh, mute yourself, Rishabh. Yeah, go ahead, Srilata.
Yes, sir. Then we'll write sin alpha plus 1 by sin alpha equal to 2, sir. So then we'll get sin square alpha plus 1 is equals to 2 sin alpha by taking LCM.
Yes, correct.
So then we'll get, by taking 2 sin alpha in to the left hand side, we'll get sin square alpha plus 1 minus 2 sin alpha equal to 0, sir. Then we'll get sin alpha minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then we'll get the value of sin alpha is equals to 1. If the value of sin alpha equal to 1, then the value of cosecant alpha is also 1, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
Then we'll substitute the value of sin alpha and cosecant alpha in the given equation. Then we'll get 1 power n plus 1 power n, which is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, sir.
Yes, correct. Yeah, this is actually, you can write cosecant alpha as 1 by sin alpha, what she said. Then take LCM, do cross multiplication, bring one side. Finally, you'll get a quadratic expression, but it will be a perfect square. You will get sin alpha minus 1 whole square equal to 0. From that, sin alpha is 1. If sin is alpha is 1, cosecant alpha is also 1. Okay, anybody still doubt about 32?
No, sir, no doubts.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, can we do like squaring on both sides and cubing? So we
No, because the power n is there, na. We don't know. It may be 2, it may be 10. Let's instead of this, they can ask sin alpha whole power 2021 plus cosecant alpha whole power 2021. Then what will you do?
Once can you explain this 30-second question?
Tell me what is that you have not understood. What is the first step I said?
That means like somebody explain that same thing only, sir.
What is, you tell me in your own words, what is the first step that we should do?
Sir, first we should find sin. First we should convert cosec alpha as 1 by sin alpha, sir. Then we'll get sin square alpha plus 1 by sin alpha is equal to 2. Then sin square alpha plus 1 is equal to 2 sin alpha.
Yes.
Up to that I got, sir.
Bring the 2 sin alpha to LHS.
Means like sin square alpha plus 1 minus 2 sin alpha, sir.
Yeah, is it sin alpha minus 1 whole square equal to 0?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means sin alpha is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
That means cosecant alpha is also 1.
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
can I explain 33rd one?
G Bharat, I am very happy or very you're trying to answer many questions. That's good. Let me give chance to others. If somebody answers, doesn't answer, I'll ask. Is it okay? You don't mind?
Okay, sir, no problem, sir.
Okay. Anybody till now not answered want to talk about 33? Come on, we have 76 students.
Can I?
Yes, please.
So for P6, we will put the value of n as 6. So we'll get cos to the power 6x plus sine to the power 6x.
Yes,
which
correct.
can be written as cos square whole power 3 plus sine square whole power 3.
Very good.
Which can be written in the form cos square plus sine square whole power 3 minus 3 sine square cos square in bracket sine square plus cos square.
Excellent. Very good.
By that we'll get 1 minus 3 sine square cos square.
Yes, very good.
Now we'll take the value of P4. In that we'll write cos power 4 plus sine power 4, which can be written as cos square whole power square plus sine square whole power square, which can be written as cos square plus sine square whole power 2 minus 2 cos square sine square x.
Yes.
And that is 1 minus 2 sine square x minus into cos square x.
Very good. Very good. Yeah.
So we'll
then I'll substitute and get answer. Very good, Mukul. You said clearly. Okay. Anybody want me to write 33 solution on the board?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I'll write. Not a problem. Okay. I think today, mostly with the doubts only, time is getting over. Okay. Mainly, I'm going to use. We are going to use these two formulas. One is a cube plus b cube. Some of you may know this formula, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. But instead of that, I want to write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Everybody knows this formula also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even if you don't know, bring this one here. That is a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or 3a square b plus 3ab square. From that you can take 3ab common. Okay. And similarly, I also want to use formula a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So P6, which is they defined Pn as cos power nx plus sin power nx. Then P6 is cos power 6x plus sin power 6x. This cos power 6x I can write cos square x whole cube plus sin power 6x as sin square x whole cube. A cube plus b cube, based on this formula, I can write cos square x plus sin square x whole cube minus 3 into cos square x into sin square x into cos square x plus sin square x. This value is 1, this value is 1. I'll get 1 minus 3 cos square x sin square x. Okay, coming to P4, it is cos power 4 plus sin power 4. That is cos square x whole square plus sin square x whole square. It is like a square plus b square. I want to write a plus b whole square minus 2ab, which is cos square x plus sin square x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is 1. I'll get 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So P6 is this, P4 is this. Now, what is the question actually? 2 P6 minus 3 P4.
P4 plus 1.
2 P6 minus 3 P4 plus 1. When you multiply this with 2, 2 minus 6 sin square x cos square x. When you multiply this with minus 3 plus 6 sin square x plus cos square x into cos square x plus 1. These two will cancel the x part. 2 plus 1 minus 3 is 0. Is the answer 0?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Answer 0.
Zero.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will the answer will depend on the angle x, or it will not depend on angle x?
Will depend
Will not
on-
depend, sir.
Not
will
depend
dep-
on angle.
No, sir. Not depend.
Whatever x you take, they're getting cancelled, no? We take x 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 100 degrees. Answer is same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I can tell you one easy method. It's not a nice method, but we can get the answer. What is that? In the options, anywhere x is there?
Equals to 0.
Yeah. In the answer, there is no where x means answer should be independent of x. You take 0 degrees directly in the question. Pn. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So Pn is always 1. P6, P4, P10, anything is 1. So P6 is 1, P4 is 1. 2 minus 3 plus 1, it is 0. So when x is 0 degrees, the given expression is 0 means for other x values also should be 0. Otherwise, the question will be wrong. Okay. For that, you don't have to write all this. But then, as I said, one important thing, everybody remember, especially in trigonometry, you can take x 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. You can manage to do some questions maybe. But if you don't know the proper way of writing solution and getting the answer without checking for one or two angles, you will not learn the subject. So in an objective question, you can manage to do some questions by putting angles when you are doing homework. Even then, I want you to write proper solution also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
the second question, can we find the solution by the means of mathematical induction?
You want to prove a mathematical induction? It is unnecessary. Here, main thing is recognizing sin alpha is 1. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So I got only 10 minutes to discuss the theory further. It's okay. So I gave homework. Those who tried, they got. Others, those who did not get. So we discussed for enough time, and somebody is going to put the solutions. So there should not be any reason not to submit the homework. What happened?
So somebody forgot to mute and they talked.
Okay. Oh. Charan Teja, mute yourself. Okay, is there anybody tried further questions also?
Yes, sir. I tried, sir.
Okay, how many you tried, Bharat?
50, sir.
50. Okay, so I said 34 to 43. 44 to 53. Mostly you can complete on your own, right, G Bharat?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Okay, so you keep those 44 to 53 solutions in the PDF in homework group.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so listen everybody. Today's homework is the next 10 questions from 44 to 53. Okay, you try on your own. If you don't get, then look at the solution sent by Bharat. Try to understand that. If you are not understanding that, then I'll discuss tomorrow in the class.
Sir, just 1 minute, sir.
33 to 43, no, sir. Homework.
33 to 43, no, sir. That's what.
I gave homework from 33 to
43, sir.
34 to 43, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's what I was saying. Yesterday's homework was 34 to 43, already discussed today, and you have to submit today.
Sir,
Today's homework
yesterday was till 33.
Yesterday was
24 to
Yesterday was 24
Oh, sorry,
to
sorry.
33.
24 to 33, yeah? Sorry.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Today
So then today's
34 to
homework is
43.
34 to 43.
43, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So G Bharat, you completed 34 to 43?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. So those 10 you, okay, even though you done further, don't send all of them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, till 44 we have till trigonometric identities.
Even after that also, indirectly, they are trigonometric identities only. Till 54, if I see.
For the third one, we have, sir.
Yeah, one question, it's okay. That's not a problem.
Yes, sir.
1 to 23 we'll discuss. Don't worry. I have to discuss some theory. Okay. Yeah, 43 question may have a little bit of some other thing, but it's okay. 44. All these eliminations also they will related to that type of questions only. Okay.
So in these 7 minutes, can you explain
Okay.
that 44th question, sir?
Yeah, I'll explain tomorrow. We'll see it. But the thing is, up to 54, practically it's just a matter of getting an idea how to use our known identities for doing these questions. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I have to discuss about some angles, that all silver teacups, sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 minus theta, all those formulas. Then only we can do some of the questions of 1 to 23. But these questions doesn't need any of those things. That's why I'm giving. Okay. So
Sir, second year also we have a trigonometry topic, sir.
actually what happens, some topics that we learn in first year may not come at all in second year. Okay. I'm talking about all three subjects together. But some topics that you learn in first year will come in within first year only, some other topics, and they'll also come in second year. For example, you are studying straight lines, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the beginning, of course, it's very easy, but some people may find a little problem with normal form and some parametric form and all that in the beginning. Okay. But second year, when we have 4 topics called circles, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. We'll be using all the straight lines formulas there just like that. Okay. So after finishing those chapters, when you come back and look at straight lines, you'll think it's a very easy chapter. All right. In the same way, trigonometry. In the first time when we are learning, it looks like too many formulas. We just started only, but we are going to come across compound angles, multiple submultiple angles, and trigonometric equations. A lot of formulas we are going to come across. In the beginning, it looks like too many formulas, or some questions we have to do by particular formula. Okay. But after some time, we'll be using them in many other places. For example, we will be doing differentiation later on. We'll be doing limits. Okay. There also we'll be using trigonometry. In second year, we'll be doing integration, or even in physics, you are doing integration. There also trigonometry will come. So a lot of things that we learned now will be using there. So when you come back, you may not find trigonometry very tough. Or sometimes if you look at a JEE mains question paper, you may find what is this trigonometry, they are not giving much. Hardly alternative years, they are giving one question only. I studied for 2 months and they are hardly giving not even one question. So should I not study trigonometry? No. They will give a differentiation question where trigonometry is involved. That question will be given in differentiation chapter, not in trigonometry chapter. Okay.
Okay.
There will be an integration question where a lot of trigonometry is involved. That will be in integration chapter, but not in trigonometry chapter. Okay. So because of this, you may find trigonometry, the first 3-4 chapters that we are going to do may not be appearing in a mains past year mains question so much. But doesn't mean it's not important. We'll be using in other chapters soon. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So 24 to 33, these solutions Tatvika will send in the homework group. 34 to 43, today you try without looking at solutions. But G. Bharat will send solutions for this. And if somebody doesn't have any doubt, after trying for sincerely, you can look at their solution. Even after that, if you are not clear, these solutions, doubts I'll explain tomorrow. But this I'm not going to tell because we already discussed. Okay. So whenever I announce any homework, that day you will try. Next day morning we'll discuss in the class. After that class is over, I'll put up assignment. Then you can submit there. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
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 Sir, for advanced exam, matrices and determinants only, sir, advanced level.
Yeah, that is one thing I want to say. I did not get time, but after lunch, maybe by 2 o'clock or something, I'll put a message. Which questions in our advanced material about maths and determinants can be skipped because they involve some other subject knowledge. Okay. The rest of the questions, if you try by Friday evening, Saturday class, I'll discuss.
So again, the mains we have.
No, again, what are some part of it? Second part I did not discuss in advanced material, right?
Okay.
In the mains, we have level 2 now, sir. Matrices and determinants. They are little bit similar to the advanced level questions, sir. Should we try them also?
As long as they don't involve knowledge of differentiation, knowledge of trigonometry so much, you want to try, it's okay. Okay. The reason we kept at level 2 is because we wanted to decrease number of questions in level 1, and some questions may need knowledge of trigonometry or differentiation or integration or limit. We try to avoid those questions. That's the reason. Okay. All right. Okay, so, should I discuss this maths and determinant doubts? Should I put a class on Sunday and discuss, or should I discuss on Saturday itself?
Sir, Saturday and Sunday both, sir.
Anything.
Okay, we'll say, but whatever it is, by Friday evening, finish the advanced material, maths and determinants. Is it okay?
Today we have a work session, I think, sir.
Yeah, that I'll take a class, trigonometry class.
Okay, sir.
We are almost up, so there's no point in class starting trigonometry angles today. All right.
Sir?
Yes, please.
I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please, Bharat.
So what is the meaning of matrices and determinants? I can't.
Oh, what is the meaning? Nothing. You put this kind of bracket, take some real numbers, put in the form of rows and columns. That is called matrix.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, how to add two matrices, how to multiply two matrices? We defined the way we liked it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that, and determinant, every matrix will have a number. Every matrix will have a number. What is that number? So some this into this part, some this thing into this part, something that some way it is defined. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have a set of numbers, but all that put together is equal to one single number based on a standard definition that we gave us. That number is called determinant of this matrix.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Nothing much. Okay. This is one thing for all the new students. As I said, mathematical induction, if somebody missed, it's a very small topic. I recorded my videos, 5 or 6 lectures, but first 2 lectures are good enough. It gives you a good idea about it. You want to listen, when you are free, you can listen. Otherwise, definitely I'll reteach it. Maths and determinants, I gave some 35 lectures. Okay. I recorded them. They're all in the YouTube. I sent the links also. If somebody doesn't have, I'll send in the group once again. That also is optional only. I'm going to reteach a maths and determinants maybe after 3 months or something. Okay. Because we are not going to use in any one of the other chapters so much. But if somebody is interested, they have a free time on a Saturday or Sunday or some particular day homework is less, you can watch my video and I'll send the class notes PDF. You can note down the notes and listen to the video and you will understand mostly. And then you can try IP textbook first on your own, then mains material on your own. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are done with the doubts and the time is also done. Okay. So trigonometry theory evening, I have a class from 4 to 5. At that time we'll discuss. Is it all right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
The time now. Yeah, 12 o'clock. We'll stop it.